Hello friends, welcome to Code Crush Coding. In this video we are going to cover the math module in Python. So this is a inbuilt module. All the functions are already written. You just need to import the math module to make use of the functions. So Python math module is defined as the most famous mathematical functions, which includes trigonometric functions, representation functions, logarithmic functions. All the functions related to mathematics, you need to just import the math module. So we are going to cover some of the functions for the math module. So the first one is power, which is basically math.powxy. It takes two parameter. So the first number will be the integer for which you want the value, and the second will be the number raised to the x. So let me show you in the code how we can make use of this math.power function. So I have this math module.python file. So the first thing I will need to do is import math. So I will import this math module, and now what I want to do, I want to have the value of 2 raised to, like here you can say 2 raised to 4. So 2 raised to 4, it will be like 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 4 times. So that you want to do. So directly you can say here one variable x, and you can make use of math module, then the function pow, which is power, then 2 raised to 4, and then you can directly print here x. If you run this, so you are getting here 16. So 2 is multiplied 4 times. 2 into 2 4, then 4 into 2 8, and then 8 into 2 16. So we haven't written any logic for this function, but it is already declared or already defined inside this math module, and we have imported this math module, so we are able to get the output. So you can have different values here. Let's say 5. So 5 raised to 4, here you will get 625. So in this way you can make use of this function. Another function is floor. So this method returns the floor value of the past value. So here you can pass any float value, and it will return the floor value. It returns the less than or equal value to x. So floor value basically means, let me show you here. So math.floor, and let's say you provide any float value here 8.79. so the floor value will be the lowest integer for this specified value. So the closest integer from here is 9, but it will be a Ceil value. Floor value will be the lowest integer of this provided value, so it will be 8. If I show you here and run the code, so see we are getting here 8. If I say here 9.79, so it will return me 9, because the lowest complete integer will be 9 floor value. And let's say I need to have the Ceil value y equals to math.Ceil I will provide the same value here 9.79. So what will the Ceil function will do? It will return me the integer value which will be the next to this value. So closest integer for 9.79 will be 10. If I try to print y here, print y, run this code. So see, for the x we are getting here as 9, so it is the floor value, and for the Ceil we are getting here 10. If I say a different value, let's say 99.2001, and the same value we will have here for Ceil also. So what will be the output? For the floor value, so the floor value will be 99 and the Ceil value will be 100. Let me run this code. See, 99 and 100. So floor value will be 99 for this particular float value, and the Ceil value will be 100. So we have seen these two methods, floor, Ceil. Another one is factorial. So this method returns the factorial of a given number. If provided number is not integral, it raises a value error. So let me provide here, remove this y part, so we'll remove this here. Now factorial. So factorial is basically, you will be aware, right? So if you have provided here 5, then the factorial of 5 will be 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So basically whatever number you provide here, it will start from that number, it will multiply it till 1. So if you provide here 6, then it will start from 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So in this way you will get the factorial. Let me remove this. So math dot factorial, let's say I want the factorial of 3. So what will be the factorial of 3? It will be 3 into 2 into 1. So what will be the output? 3 2s are 6 and 2 into 1 will be, like 3 into 2 will be 6 and 6 into 1 will be 6. So output should be 6. So if I run this code, so see we are getting here 6. So in this way you can get the factorial of a number directly with the help of factorial function declared inside the math module. Another function that we want to see is square root. So the square root returns the square root of a number. The number must be greater than or equal to 0. So it will be always greater than or equal to 0, the provided number. So if I provide here math dot square root, let's say 9. So 9, square root of 9 is 3. If I run this code, see I'm able to get 3. Similarly square root of 25 will be 5. So we are getting here 5. If I say here 26, then it will be 5 point something. So see we are getting here a float value. What if I enter the number less than 0? Let's say minus 3. So see we are getting here value error and the process finish with exit code 1. So here it is an error. So what you can do, you can handle this error with the try and except block. So you can see in the playlist I have already created the videos for exception handling. So here you need to provide try block, and I will provide this inside the try block now. Try block, and here you need to provide the except block. Here the exception will be handled, and here you will print the message. Let's say please enter value greater than 0, greater than 0. And let me run this now. So see our code is getting executed successfully and we are getting a message, please enter value greater than 0, as we have entered here minus 3. If you enter the value here greater than 0, then this block of statements will be executed and this message will not get printed. So see we are getting a message 3.0. So that is the use of the math module, where we can use directly the functions as per our requirement. So that's it in this video. We will cover another topics in next video. Thank you for watching.